Homemade borax ant killer typically costs a few dollars to mix compared to much higher prices for commercial baits or hiring an exterminator. Making an effective borax ant bait requires borax, a sweetener such as sugar or honey, and a carrier like water or peanut butter, and you should mix 1 part borax to 9 parts sweetener to balance toxicity and palatability for the ants. Use small bait stations made from bottle caps or folded paper and place them along ant trails and near entry points, keeping them out of reach of pets and children. Replace baits every 3 to 5 days because the sugar solution can dry out or mold, and contamination with dust or other food will reduce effectiveness. For heavy infestations, target multiple bait stations in different areas of the home and maintain them for at least 2 to 3 weeks to ensure the colony is affected. Since workers must carry the bait back to the nest for slow-acting borax to work, store borax in a sealed container and wear gloves when preparing baits to avoid skin irritation, and never let pets or young children access prepared stations. If ants are foraging outdoors, treat inside and outside perimeters and seal obvious entry routes like cracks and gaps with silicone caulk to reduce reintroduction. The most common mistakes are using too much borax, so the bait kills ants before they share it, which you avoid by keeping the ratio at about 1 to 9. Using only contact sprays that scatter foragers without affecting the nest, which you replace with targeted baiting and habitat reduction, and assuming a single treatment ends an infestation, which you prevent by monitoring and renewing baits and sealing entry points until activity drops to none. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors for project estimates and ideas related to pest exclusion and home repairs, and we also help contractors find leads and showcase their services. We host a discussion community where users and professionals exchange tips, ask questions, and share local experiences about pest control and preventative measures.